single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
First of all, I want to give a huge thanks to Gary Force Honda and Daniel Del Rio. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today with me, I have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz C350. Exterior color on this car, you know, you do have your black. You have a 3.5 liter engine up front that puts out 302 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. MPG on this car, you have 20 city and 28 highway. This being the coupe, you do lose 1 MPG per highway. If you were to get the sedan, you would gain 20. You would be 20 city and 29 highway. I have 18-inch aluminum wheels up front and in the rear. Now let's talk about the interior on this car. All right, so starting at the door, you do have this aluminum piece up here by the door handle. You have your unlock and lock buttons and your seat controller. You have your memory seating up for 3 people. Your window controllers for the driver and the passenger, both automatic up and down. You have your mirror controllers. Right down below, you have your trunk. Up here on the dash, you have your headlight controllers, automatic, and for your fog lights, parking brake release, and then your parking brake right there. Aluminum pedals right down below. Steering wheel on this car, it is leather wrapped. You do have a flat bottom design. On the left, you have your controllers to control the little LCD up there in the center, where you can get all types of information. Then you have your back button. On the right, you have your controllers for your phone and your volume, and also for your assist. Mercedes logo right here in the center. Instrument cluster on this car, it is pretty informative. It tells you all types of information that you need to know about your car. Moving on to the center, you have your screen up there. It's not the biggest, but it's pretty nice. The way you control it is right down below by your shifter. You have your back button and also your clear. I didn't think I would find anything that I didn't like about this car, but I was definitely wrong. On the reverse camera, it's pretty hard to see because the camera faces downward a lot and you don't have any trajectory lines, so you have to guess. I had to use the mirrors on this car to be able to know where exactly I was going to, because you have no trajectory lines and no guidance lines. So if the car is going straight somewhere, I was having to use the mirrors a lot, like I said. Moving right down below, you have your navigation disc, radio and telephone buttons, your volume knob and your track skipped. Down below, you have a couple of empty buttons. You have your heated seats for the driver and the passenger. You have your hazard light. Moving right down below, this is dual climate, so you have your temperature for the driver right here and for the passenger on the other side, and you have your climate control buttons right there. You have your shift lever with the Mercedes logo on top, leather wrapped, leather socket. Up top, you have your light switches and also your switch for the panoramic sunroof that this car is equipped with, and it is pretty nice. This being a coupe, I did not expect it to have a panoramic sunroof, but well, here you go. I've only seen it on SUVs such as the Lexus and the Jaguar that I reviewed, but here it is on a Mercedes coupe. Talking about the seats on this Mercedes, they are pretty comfortable. You do have some nice bolstering on the side. One cool feature that Mercedes has that I haven't seen it on any other car brand, or at least not none that I've reviewed or I've been inside of, and that is that you can also control your headrest with the switches on the door. So you can see right there is for the head, and automatically it can either go up or bring it back down. Now let's go into the back and see how much room we have left. Being here in the back seat, having the seat adjusted to my height, you can see the space we have left. This being the coupe, it has some pretty impressive spacing. I honestly thought I would be cramped back here, but no, you fit pretty much real comfortable back here. You have enough space. Premium materials here in the back, such as in the front of your little speaker here. Seats back here, they are pretty much the same as in the front. They are pretty comfortable, but you know, you don't have that bolstering like you do on the front. Here in the back, you do have 2 cup holders. You do have a cover for them as well if you don't want to use them. They are not that deep, so if you have some drinks back here, have some large drinks, and you know they're open, let's say a McDonald's cup or something, you might want to tell your friend to be careful on turns, because otherwise, you know, you could make a mess back here. Storage on this Mercedes, you don't have any cup holders on the doors, but you do get 2 cup holders in the back for your passenger, something that the Shelby GT500 that I reviewed does not have. It only has 2 cup holders in the entire car. Center console, it's not the biggest, but it is pretty deep. You do have your auxiliary in there. The way it opens is pretty unique. Never seen this before on the car. Glove box, you know, it's not the biggest. I don't think you can quite fit anything larger in there larger than the driver's manual. No extra storage in the rear. That is it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this car, feel free to shoot Daniel a message, since he is the salesperson here at the Gary Ford's dealer. Thank you guys for watching, and I would appreciate it if you guys share this video with somebody, or share any other videos that I have, maybe with your friends or so we can get this channel to grow up to 500 subscribers, which that is my next goal. Let's make it happen, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching, and follow me on Instagram if you don't already, at JohnnyTube. Link to everything will be in the description below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take it easy. Peace.